Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Anna, and even though it's officially spring, this is our weather currently. Ugh, I know, eh? Oh, it's too cold and too wet for me to be outside, so I need a project I can do indoors where I can stay warm and dry. It's a sweats kind of day. Actually, it's supposed to be like this all week. Ugh. I want to make a stone trough centerpiece, just not out of stone. I've seen several pictures online as inspiration, and I want to turn this into one of those. Well, I want to try at least. I thrifted this for $2.29. And I'm planning to use drywall compound, spackle, paint, grout, I don't know, maybe even baking soda, whatever I have on hand to try to make this look like stone. It's really dusty, but that's okay, because my first step is to sand this. I find that anything that's painted or stained red really bleeds through, and since I want it to look like stone, I don't want any red coming through, so I'm going to sand it, and then I'm going to prime it. Off to the garage. It's scuff sanded, so now I can go back inside where it's warm and do some priming. Primer is completely dried. So I'm ready for my next step, which is going to be mixing the drywall compound with some grout and paints. I'm going to start with a little bit darker on the base coats and go lighter as I keep adding more and more layers. I think that's going to work out, but it's going to be fun to try. This is the first coat dry. Welcome to Canadian spring. Yeah, it's snowing. I want the second coat a little bit lighter, so I'm going to be mixing two different grouts. The same one I used the first time, this sort of darker gray one, well, medium gray, and then a lighter one called Alabaster. It's pretty light. And to make it a little bit runnier than the first time, I'll be adding water. Just a little splash. And then only the creamy paint, not the gray. It's only the tan. This is what the coat looks like dried. I like the color, it looks good, and now I can start on the inside. Finally, time for the last coat. I really wanted to get the last coat done today so it can dry overnight. So I forced it to heat up and dry faster, so it did crack, but that's okay. I'm gonna do another coat and it's gonna be lighter. It's gonna dry overnight, and then tomorrow I can sand and whatever else I wanna do to it, so. Good morning. Yes, it's the next day and I'm wearing the same clothes, but that's because we're sanding now. And, oh yeah, and messy hair. But I wanted to get the sanding done first thing before I jump in the shower because I know the sand dust is going to get everywhere. Hence, the same outfit again. But let's go sand. dust free now, and I love, 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 love how this is looking. And I'm kind of scared to do any more to it, but I want to age it just a little bit more. So if I ruin it, I'll be sanding a lot more and maybe going back a few steps. But next, I'm going to mix up some baking soda with some sanded grout and a little bit of water, and I'm just gonna make like a little rub. I'm just gonna rub it all over. Let's start with some baking soda. The reason I'm using baking soda is I want it to be gritty, and I think that'll work. I don't have any sand. And then I'm using sanded grout, again, just for that grit.
It's not drying as quickly as I would like it to, but I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off the excess and then let it dry, and hopefully today still be able to seal it. It's finally time for sealer. Now there's two reasons why I'm sealing it. One, it will enhance the color, and two, the more important reason, every single time I touch it, the drywall dust and grout just transfers onto my hands. I just touch it and so that's probably the biggest reason why I'm sealing it. So let's spray.
This used to be a red lacquered tray. I think it's pulling off the old stone trough look pretty well. And unlike natural stone, it's light. I still can't get over that this is just drywall compound and grout. Now all I need is some filler. Maybe an upcoming video idea? Maybe. Thanks for watching. To help grow our channel, give this video a like. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Well, good morning. Okay. My tray's done. Thanks for watching. No, that sounded like I was like a... Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. One of those is good. I'm done. Dun 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 dun. Next video time.